Is there Mr. Adilet from Kyrgyzstan?
No, he is absent.
Okay, okay. So I would like to call Dr. Virgil Nicola, yes. Virgil Nicola.
Dr. Virgil Nicola and myself, we have both a presentation. I present, if it's possible, of course.
Okay, okay, okay. So Dr. Virgil, you have 10 minutes to make your presentation complete. So you can present now.
Thank you. Okay, I suppose you will see my screen.
Yeah, no, screen share is not there. We cannot see your screen.
We see my screen now.
Yes. It is coming. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, my name is Simona Spânu from Faculty of Agricultural Sciences, Food Industry and Environmental Protection, Lucian Blaga, University of Sibiu, Romania, and with Dr. Virgil Nicola from the same university, Faculty of Economics. We present you sustainable development of Mărginimea Sibiului, Romania, through ecotourism and cultural tourism. Here is a map of Sibiu County with Mărginimea Sibiului area located in southwest of our county. Mărginimea Sibiului has become during the last years a famous tourist attraction visited by thousands of foreign and Romanian tourists and established brand. Mărginimea Sibiului is the most well-known area of Sibiu. Here, sheep breeding is a way of life reflected in the rhythm of daily activities. Using the experience of Sibiu cultural capital, European capital, Mărginimea Sibiului was designed the most romantic ecotourist destination, where the main objectives of the presentation is to unfold a pattern from promoting cultural ecotourism for local communities regarding Sibiu area. Mărginimea Sibiului was awarded in 2009 with the Golden Apple Trophy. This trophy is the equivalent of the Oscar in tourism. The development of ecotourism and cultural tourism in this area contributes to preservation of natural heritage and biodiversity, preservation of cultural heritage and traditional value, and facilitating sustainable long-term economic activities. There are a lot of images from this area. The means of promoting cultural ecotourism for local communities outline scientific solutions that back the social development and contribute to the improvement of its human condition. Statistical data on the evolution of tourism indicators in Mărginimea Sibiului between 2018 and 2020 shows increasing interest manifested both among tourists from Romania and abroad, even in pandemic situation. You see in this graphic number of days for tourists. In April and May was total lockdown in Romania. That's why there are no data from this month. With an original offer, Sibiu County can be successful in tourism and mostly in cultural ecotourism. Using the experience of Sibiu Cultural European Capital from 27 and European Region of Gastronomy 2019, we consider that cultural ecotourism is an opportunity for Sibiu to become ecotourist and cultural destination on the European touristic map, not only for foreigner visitors, but for Romanian too. The inhabitants lead a traditional existence, but they are receptive to the new. The project we carried out in this area from 2011 to 2017 focused on making the population accountable for reducing the carbon footprint and the weather footprint and water footprint in the tourist villages of Mărginimea Sibiului. Through a correct and well-documented information campaign, we managed to make the guest house manager act in a more responsible manner and turn the tourist activities in the area into more environmentally friendly ones for the benefit of whole community. Number of tourist arrivals is increasing. Same tourist overnight. The cultural ecotourism represents an important step in education on eco-economic and bioeconomic principles for the population in order to be aware for the value regarding the cultural and ecotouristic heritage. Cultural events and the ethno-folklore activities, traditional products, other creative activities. The tourist products link cultural ecotourism represented the best alternatives among economy, culture, and environment protection, and are meant to be adequate financial economic instruments for a permanent promotion of tourist action, of turning into account the cultural heritage of the ecotouristic area. Rural tourism and ecotourism represent, too, an alternative for employment for labor force in the countryside, a way to diversify rural economy and bring the income source for the inhabitants within the rural area. The ECOC in 27 did not in itself produce an increase in the quality of the experience, but it seems that the legacy of the event is a notably increased visit quality. The image of Sibiu has remained fairly positive since 27. The way of life for rural population is connected with a rich material and immaterial heritage that gives specific identity for the village. This element of originality must be preserved and turned into account in a superior manner. Rural tourism use the crisis as a catalyst for change. Ecotourism is a tourism which directly or indirectly promotes and supports sustainable economic development. Therefore, Mărginimea Sibiului should follow the example of other regions with very rich natural and ecologic reserve, for which ecotourism was become an important source of income. Ecotourism is to integrate tourism development and to share the benefits of the community level. Ecotourism is a vehicle for strengthening the balance of local economic development and the conservation of biological and cultural diversity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Dr. Simona, for your very good presentation.